I'm not doing anything much, you know. I'm just walking, holding this thing, whatever it is. And that's a jar of milk. And then, watch. This is my best magic trick I've taught myself this magic trick. 100% real. Not clickbait, I promise. Okay, get ready. Set. I told you it wasn't clickbait. And then I can make that dog hey, come here. I can make this thing right here disappear. Come here. See? Oh no, I want my dog back. Well, that's all for today, cringy people.